Phaepo and Ateoni. This is the story of Ateoni's kindness and respect to his father Phaepo.
Long, long ago on the lush island of Upolu, there lived a man named Phaepo, who, despite being both crippled and blind, possessed a heart full of wisdom and resilience. His son, Aeschioge, was his eyes and legs, navigating the world with a boundless spirit and unwavering loyalty to his father. Together, they formed an inseparable duo, each complementing the other in remarkable ways. Phaepo, with his profound understanding of the island's oral traditions and ancient stories, instilled in Aeschioge a deep appreciation for their heritage. Aeschioge, in turn, brought these stories to life, sharing them with their community and ensuring that his father's legacy would never fade. Their bond was a testament to the power of love and the strength found in unity, inspiring all who knew them on the island of Upolu. Aeschioge exemplified the essence of filial devotion and compassion through his unwavering care for his old and disabled father. With patience and tenderness, he attended to his father's needs, ensuring that he was comfortable and well supported. Aeschioge's dedication went beyond mere duty. It was a testament to the enduring bond between parent and child, reflecting a deep respect for the man who had once cared for him. This commitment not only provided his father with physical and emotional comfort but also served as an inspiring example of love and responsibility within the family, reminding us all of the importance of caring for our elders with dignity and kindness. During this challenging period, the Samoan community faced immense hardship as the Great Famine swept across the island, making it increasingly difficult to find adequate food. Families struggled to sustain themselves, relying on their resourcefulness and community spirit to navigate the scarcity. Traditional farming methods were put to the test, and the people turned to the island's natural resources for survival. Fishing and hunting became crucial for securing daily sustenance, while the sharing of what little food there was fostered a sense of unity and resilience among the islanders. This period not only highlighted the vulnerabilities of the island's food supply but also underscored the strength and solidarity of the Samoan people in the face of adversity. Early one morning, Aeschioge set out into the dense, whispering woods, driven by the devotion he felt for his father. The sun had barely begun to rise, casting a gentle glow that painted the forest in hues of gold and green. The air was crisp, filled with the earthy aroma of dew-kissed leaves and the soft rustling of creatures starting their day. With each step, Aeschioge listened intently for the telltale signs of nature's bounty, perhaps a rustle that hinted at a cluster of ripe berries or the subtle movement indicating a mouse hidden in the underbrush. His heart was fueled by determination and love, knowing that his efforts were not just a quest for sustenance but a testament to the bond he shared with his father. In this serene yet lively environment, Aeschioge felt both small and mighty, part of the grand tapestry of life that surrounded him. In times when traditional food sources such as breadfruit, banana, and taro become scarce due to environmental factors or natural disasters, communities face significant challenges in maintaining food security. Breadfruit and banana trees, which are staples in many tropical regions, can be sensitive to changes in weather patterns, affecting their ability to bear fruit. Similarly, taro plantations can be devastated by factors such as flooding or disease, further exacerbating food shortages. In such situations, it becomes crucial to explore alternative food sources and implement sustainable agricultural practices to enhance resilience. On a sweltering summer day, Aeschioge's fortune took a delightful turn when he discovered a yam nestled beneath the rocks. The sun blazed overhead, casting shimmering waves across the landscape, and the air was thick with heat. Yet, hidden away from the harsh rays, the yam lay like a hidden treasure, its presence a testament to nature's surprising bounty. This unexpected find was more than just sustenance, it was a symbol of hope and resilience amidst the oppressive heat. As Aeschioge carefully unearthed the yam, he couldn't help but feel a deep sense of gratitude for this serendipitous encounter, knowing it would nourish his father in the days to come. Unearthing the yam proved to be quite the challenge, as it had coiled itself stubbornly beneath a massive rock, nature's formidable shield. This wasn't just a test of physical strength but also one of patience and ingenuity. The process required careful maneuvering to avoid damaging the yam, which had likely spent years growing beneath the heavy cover. The rock, with its imposing presence, added an element of suspense to the endeavor, as each inch of progress was hard-won. Yet, the reward at the end, a perfectly intact yam, served as a testament to the perseverance and skill involved in overcoming nature's obstacles. The Samoan proverb, Imanao ileu fi, a fefe ila papa. Wanting the yam, but fear of the rock, reflects the human tendency to desire something beneficial or rewarding while simultaneously being apprehensive about the obstacles or risks involved in obtaining it. In essence, it highlights the internal conflict between aspiration and fear. The yam represents the goal or desired outcome, something nourishing and valuable. Meanwhile, the rock symbolizes the challenges or difficulties one might face in the pursuit of this goal. This proverb serves as a reminder that achieving worthwhile objectives often demands courage and perseverance to overcome the inherent challenges. It encourages individuals to weigh the potential rewards against the risks and to take calculated steps toward their ambitions despite any fears. Ashiogi, with beads of sweat trickling down his brow, diligently worked to unearth the yam, his hands steady yet firm as he dug into the rich, dark soil. Each careful movement was filled with purpose and respect, for the task at hand was not just an agricultural chore, but a familial duty. His father, a figure of stoic patience and hope, stood nearby, his eyes reflecting the prayers whispered under his breath, a silent but fervent wish for Ashiogi's safety and the successful completion of this vital task. The yam, a symbol of sustenance and tradition, held significant importance in their lives, and Ashiogi's determination to return home with the precious tuber was fueled by the love and expectations of his father. In this moment, the bond between father and son was woven tighter, a testament to the enduring strength of family and tradition. In a tale of resilience and devotion, the protagonist's struggle was transformed into joy upon securing a yam to nourish his elderly father, Fipo. This simple act of providing food speaks volumes about the bond between the two, underscoring themes of familial love and duty. Despite the challenges faced in acquiring the yam, the protagonist's determination reflects a deep-seated commitment to his father's well-being. Such narratives remind us of the profound impact that even the smallest gestures can have on our loved ones, turning moments of hardship into expressions of care and happiness. Fipo's heart swelled with pride and relief as he watched his son approach, the setting sun casting long shadows on the path. The journey had been fraught with challenges, and the task of retrieving a yam from the distant fields was no small feat. Yet here was his son, triumphant, carrying the prized tuber as a symbol of his determination and resilience. Fipo embraced him warmly, his joy spilling over into laughter and words of praise. To Fipo, the yam was more than just food, it was a testament to his son's growth and courage, a promise of prosperity and the continuation of their traditions. Fipo's thoughts lingered on the number 7, a symbol of completeness and continuity that resonated with him. The parallel between the 7 days of the week and the 7 yam portions struck a chord, suggesting a cycle of sustenance and time. Each yam portion seemed to represent a day's worth of nourishment, a tangible connection to the rhythm of life that governed their daily existence. Although he remained silent, Fipo felt a deeper understanding of how these simple numbers and objects intertwined with his life's rhythm, perhaps hinting at the unspoken wisdom imparted through everyday tasks. This touching exchange between Fipo and his son speaks volumes about resourcefulness, resilience, and the bond between them. When the father asked about the son's meals over the past week, the son's response revealed a deep understanding of making the most out of limited resources. By eating yam scrapes, the son demonstrated an ability to find sustenance even from what others might consider waste. This shows not only creativity and adaptability but also a poignant acknowledgement of the family's circumstances. Fipo's reaction, being moved by his son's response, underscores the emotional depth of their relationship and the pride he feels in seeing his son navigate challenges with ingenuity. Such moments highlight the importance of family support, understanding, and the lessons passed down from one generation to the next. Fipo's blessing to his son is a poignant moment, reflecting the deep bond and mutual respect that has developed between them. It signifies not only a father's recognition of his son's genuine love and devotion but also a wish for his son's future prosperity and happiness. The blessing of bearing 7 children symbolizes abundance, legacy, and continuity, suggesting that the son's love and values will be carried on through generations. It's a heartwarming testament to the power of familial love and the importance of appreciating those who care for us most. Fipo's words serve as a reminder of the deep impact love and understanding can have in strengthening family ties and nurturing future generations. The Game of Ahigofie. The intriguing tale of Otaiwanie, a prince who secretly participated in the traditional sport of Agofi, paints a vivid picture of youthful rebellion and a quest for personal identity. Ego Fi, a prestigious game reserved for the sons of royal blood and paramount chiefs, was more than just a sport, it was a symbol of status and tradition. Despite the implicit rules and expectations placed upon him by his lineage, Ashiogi felt a compelling pull towards the sport, driven perhaps by a desire to carve out his own path or to prove himself among his peers. His clandestine participation highlights the universal themes of defying authority and the search for self-expression. This narrative not only captures the essence of youthful defiance but also offers a glimpse into the cultural and social fabric that defines and sometimes confines individuals within royal hierarchies. Whether Ashiogi's secret involvement in Ego Fi would lead to personal growth or familial discord remains a tantalizing question, inviting readers to ponder the complexities of tradition, identity, and individual choice. The tale of Ashiogi's victory is one that resonates with triumph and perseverance. On that significant day, Ashiogi emerged as a true champion, outshining all his competitors with undeniable skill and determination. His victory was not merely a testament to his prowess but also to his relentless dedication and strategic brilliance. Those who witnessed the event couldn't help but be inspired by his performance, which showcased not only physical strength but also mental fortitude. Ashiogi's triumph serves as a reminder that with unwavering commitment and a clear vision, any challenge can be overcome, and success is within reach. The story of Ashiogi's triumphs in the games of Ego Fi is a testament to perseverance, skill, and the power of legacy. As he clinched victory in Emotai and then Emuda, the excitement and pride resonated through his community, culminating in the final challenge at Moamoa, the arena where champions are crowned. This sequence of victories inspired the proverb, Isao Mila Emuda e Telila Emotai, Aola to Aso Nai Moamoa, symbolizing the journey of preparation and ultimate confrontation. It reflects the idea that success is a progressive journey, with each milestone building upon the last, leading to the ultimate test of skill and endurance. Ashiogi's story is not just about winning, it's about the dedication and determination required to achieve greatness at each stage of life's challenges. Ashiogi's impressive victory in securing all three titles from Emuda, Emotai, and Moamoa speaks volumes about their skill and determination. Winning at these significant venues indicates not only a high level of expertise but also the ability to perform under pressure. Each location likely presented its own unique challenges, requiring Ashiogi to adapt strategies and showcase versatility. Such a clean sweep across different competitions highlights their dedication, focus, and perhaps even a touch of strategic genius. This triumphant achievement will surely earn Ashiogi recognition and respect in their field, setting a high standard for future competitors. Fipo, despite facing the challenges of blindness and physical disability, felt an overwhelming sense of pride and joy as he celebrated his son Ashiogi's performance at the game of Ego Fi. This ancient and competitive sport, often regarded as a test of skill, strategy, and endurance, was a significant part of their community's cultural heritage. Ashiogi's dedication and talent shone through, earning him not only the admiration of the spectators but also the deep gratification of his father. Fipo, though unable to witness the game with his eyes, could feel the energy and excitement in the air, and the sound of the crowd's applause resonated with him profoundly. His heart swelled with happiness, knowing that Ashiogi was not only excelling in the sport but also carrying forward the legacy and spirit of their family with grace and determination. Please like, subscribe, and share this story.